for My Food Merkado's Titays Fusion. This is the Choco Galletas, Galletarts, Galletas Pastillas, tas Buffalo Galletas. Distinct kayong yung cream cake, chocolate cream. And now let's have this Galletas sandwich. So, ito blueberry, mas naigit kaayo tanan. So, muna congratulations or naka-infuse. Okay. I've got some deliveries, and this time it is quite something special. Why? Because I am receiving the entries for My Food Merkado's Titays Fusion Contest. Contestants are to make recipes in which they are going to infuse Titays Galletas Del Carmen. I received 5 entries at ang tanan akong dadawat very interesting kaayo basing sa ilang name ug basing sa silang packaging if you notice. So if wala pa mo kaila or nakalimot mo what Galletas Del Carmen look like, so it would look like this. Is a thick crust biscuit like the traditional hard Spanish biscuit called galleta. It is creamy in the same way, a little bit salty too. And here are the entries. This is the chocolate cream cake. Then the Choco Galletas sandwich. So interesting. So murag yung sandwich ang galletas or sabay what's in between it. And we also have the Galletarts. I would assume this is a tart in which yung gigamit ang galletas as a base. Then we have the Galletas Pastillas. So very excited ko ani. And this one is quite interesting. Galletas Buffalo Wings with secret sauce. So murag I think ibutang sa galletas ang sauce. And before eating, I would like to congratulate all the contestants for their creativeness and resourcefulness for coming up with these recipes. Judging from it, looking from it, lamig na gyud kayo sila. So I can't really wait to taste it. Especially this choco cream cake. Okay, murag mo akong gilawayan dayon diretso. So creamy, and yes, ang galletas tura. And before mo kaunta sa mga infusion recipes, ako sang i-refresh akong palate biyon sila men ng galletas. Tilaw ra siya murag mahurot man ako eh. And ako gining unahon ang Galletas Buffalo Wings with the secret sauce. Wala lang say sauce, and karon with the sauce na kay interesting kayong yung gigamit og dredging or coating ang galletas. Gibutang pagod niya sa sauce, so ang taste sa galletas na incorporate yun og tarong sa chicken. Now let's put some lemon, kay lemon nga pakapin, so I think that's it. It would be more perfect. Perfect yun siya. So to Miss Cherry Claire Dayday, thumbs up for this recipe. And now sa ako nakapa-excite na ko ang Galletas Chocolate Cream Cake. Lami kay siya na ang crust nga murag medyo a little bit salty, di-blend well din siya sa chocolate cream. And now let's have this Galletas Pastillas. The milky pastillas mixed with the galletas, lami chuking a combination. And now let's have this Choco Galletas sandwich. So it's like a galletas sandwich. So ang galletas mo yung gigamit nga murag sandwich, yan ay chocolate, and in between na ay macarons nga naasay galletas. And lastly, we have this Galletarts in which gigamit niya ang galletas as a base iyang tart, and it comes in 2 flavors na chocolate and naasay blueberry. Mas na-excite ko sa blueberry pero lami sa gyuto ang chocolate. Lami di ay blueberry plus the galletas. And now to be honest, lisod jud kaayo i-judge kay basing on the taste, lami jud kaayo tanan. So muna congratulations to Milesy Homemade Pastry Shop, to Diann Sumo, to Eul Suico, to Cherry Claire Dayday, and to Claire Navarra for a job well done. Congratulations jud for coming up with this recipe kay lami jud kaayo tanan. So, timanin na ninyo na names guys, kay if ever makitaan or you encounter these names nga nagsell og food, for sure lami sa gyud ng ilahang gibaligya na mga pagkaon. But for this contest, ang naka-incorporate or naka-infuse gyud og tarong sa Galletas Del Carmen nga wala kayo na overpower siyang gisagol nga recipe, mao kini ang Choco Galletas ni Claire Navarra. Why? Because starting from the sandwich or from the outside nga ang galletas gi-coat niya to chocolate, and ang iyahang feeling nga macaroons nga infused also with galletas. So from the outside going to the inside, in every bite yun mo ma-feel yun mo ang galletas nga na-infuse yun niya og tarong with the chocolate and the macaroons. So congratulations again Miss Claire Navarra for this very innovative and creative recipe. I think ibaligya ni mo daghan sa jug mamalit, and maybe you can come up also with other fillings for this sandwich. Thank you so much My Food Merkado and Titays for inviting me to judge for this week's contest. And kamo guys, if ever na may mahuna-hunaan nga recipes for Titays Del Carmen, please comment down below and tag me. But don't forget to brush your teeth after eating and to follow me in all my social media accounts, and please continue to stay home, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!